Abrasive flow machining, folks, it's a game changer. This incredible technique smooths and widens intake manifold passages without any need for manual cutting. Precision and efficiency all in one. Oh, the beauty of automation. Just look at how smoothly this production line churns out perfectly baked bagels. My mouth is watering already. Now, this next machine might not be the flashiest, but it's incredibly smart. This ingenious contraption actually protects pipes from corrosion. Talk about a silent guardian. Prepare to meet the ultimate swamp monster. This machine mows down weeds in the swamp like nobody's business. It's like a hot knife through butter, but for swamps. Remember that feeling of satisfaction when playing Fruit Ninja? This machine brings that feeling to life. It slices through corn with ease, and you can even adjust the thickness. It's oddly satisfying. Hold on to your hats because this next one is a game changer. This machine pumps out tiny, intricate parts with mind-blowing speed and precision. It's like watching a metal sculpting maestro at work. Can you believe this? This machine pops out complete plastic bottles. Where's the magic button? I need to see how that works. Hold on tight because we're about to take a trip to South Korea. Their aluminum skillet factories are a sight to behold. The transformation from raw material to finished product is nothing short of amazing. This next machine is all about precision and synchronization. It braids carbon fiber with a level of artistry that's hard to comprehend. It's like watching a master weaver at work. Metal hardening is a sight to behold, folks, and this factory takes it to the next level. It's like watching molten metal being sculpted into works of art. Get ready to be mesmerized. This temperature-sensitive foam is strangely hypnotic. You can literally watch it react to heat. Pasta lovers, this one's for you. This machine is like a pasta-making magician. Just toss in your ingredients and watch as it effortlessly churns out perfectly shaped pasta. Chopping firewood just got a whole lot easier thanks to this next machine. It slices through logs with surgical precision. Time to stock up for those cozy winter nights. Check out this beast weaving dry carbon fibers like a pro. Look at how meticulously it crafts that super durable bike frame. It spins 360 degrees, folks. Forget industrial kitchen range ducks. Nothing stands a chance against this bad boy. Introducing Oxy, the all-electric tractor that's changing the game. This beast can plow through over 550 acres of land on a single charge. Farmers, eat your heart out. Next, we've got a behemoth that churns out perfectly cooked meals every time. Talk about a mini kitchen, right? With its state-of-the-art heating system, your food will be bursting with flavor and nutrients. Get ready to be amazed by this next contraption. This embroidery machine stitches designs onto clothes faster than you can say fashion. It's like magic, folks, pure magic. Farmers, take note. This harvesting machine is about to revolutionize your life. It speeds up the harvesting process tenfold, making manual labor a thing of the past. Give it up for this incredible piece of machinery. This bad boy preps land for planting with unparalleled speed and precision. It's a farmer's best friend. Now, who doesn't love a good popcorn machine? This bad boy takes it to a whole new level. Forget movie theaters. I want one of these in my living room. This stump grinder is a force of nature. It makes quick work of even the toughest tree stumps, grinding them into dust in seconds. Say goodbye to those pesky stumps. We all use paper bags, but have you ever stopped to wonder how they're made? Prepare to be amazed by the speed and efficiency of this paper bag production line. Speaking of efficiency, feast your eyes on this spinach harvesting machine. This thing gathers up spinach at lightning speed without disturbing the roots. It's all about that optimal efficiency and safety. From selecting the materials to the final touches of paint and engraving, the process of crafting forged wheels is mesmerizing. This is one of those satisfying things you could watch for hours. And you guys, I'm not exaggerating when I say you've never seen anything like this next machine. It scales walls, it crawls, and it can reach heights of 4,300 feet. This magnetic marvel is basically a giant industrial spider. Talk about a satisfying mission. This powerful machine blasts away dirt and grime, leaving surfaces sparkling green. It's like magic, but with water pressure. This factory is a testament to the power of recycling. They take old aluminum, melt it down, and turn it into shiny new containers. It's a beautiful cycle of sustainability. Farmers, prepare to be amazed. This harvesting machine gathers up crops and feeds them into the system faster than you can say, harvest. It's like a choreographed dance of efficiency. Calling all sausage lovers. You won't believe what this machine can do. It cranks out sausages in every size and style imaginable, and you even have a choice of casing. It's a sausage fest waiting to happen.